Hello everyone, this is the English language guide for the U-Road baby safety car seat. Before installation, we highly recommend that you move the passenger side car seat all the way to the front for more convenient installation. Besides that, we also recommend that the baby car seat be installed on the passenger side so the driver can have a view of the baby or infant at any given time. First, remove the safety cushion from the car seat. Next, use this affix to secure the car seat belt so that you have enough room to actually do all that is needed for the installation. Ensure that the car seat belt is at the maximum length. First, use the top part to slot into the area like so, and the bottom part to slotting into the bottom area like so. After that, pass the clip into the left hold and out of the right hole like so. Thereafter, clip the safety belt clip into the latch. And there you have it. The car seat is installed. After the safety seat has been installed, place the safety cushion back into the car seat again. After that, ensure that the two straps on the sides are on the equal distance, and then align these two pins in a straight line and click it into the seat. After that, ensure that the straps are safe and snug for the baby according to the baby's size. Now there's 3 points of safety features for this car seat. One, it's on this strap. Two, the outside strap. And three, the area over here.